Hi, this is Heather, and today I'm here with my honest review of the Mighty Paw Smart Dog Doorbell. I'm going to tell you about some of the features of it, and then hopefully that will help you make your decision. So there are two parts of the Mighty Paw Dog Doorbell. There's this part, which you can put on the floor or on the door for your dog. I have a 5.5-pound Yorkie, and I thought it would be easier for her to learn to put her paw here and press it this way, but you can also put it on the door where they can press their nose. It requires a pretty firm press. It's something that might take a little bit of practice for your dog. For my dog, being that she is so small, it's much easier for her to press down with her paw on this one. The second component is the part that you plug into the wall right here, and you can adjust the volume to loud or soft, and you can also adjust the type of ring that you hear. So anyways, it just plugs into an outlet, and that's all you need to do with that. These right here, these parts of the device are self-adhesive, so they just have an adhesive backing that you peel off, and you can stick it to the inside or the outside of your door. I also have one on the outside here for my dog when she's outside and wants to come in.